Hello, Standard 10. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, the Union Judiciary. Now, when we speak about Union Judiciary, it is the Supreme Court. Okay, Union Judiciary is nobody but the Supreme Court when we speak about Union Judiciary. So, in today's topic, we are going to study about composition or appointment of the judges of the Supreme Court. Okay, how the Supreme Court is composed, how the members of the Supreme Court are appointed. So, here you have to first remember that the Supreme Court of India, it consists of Chief Justice and the other judges, and the number of which may be fixed by the Parliament from time to time. Means here the Parliament fixes the number of judges of the Supreme Court, and in Supreme Court we have the Chief Justice and the other judges. Now the Chief Justice and the other judges, they are appointed by the President. Who appoint it? They are appointed by the President. So we have at present one Chief Justice and 33 judges, total 34 judges. So one Chief Justice and 33 judges, and total if we say we have 34 judges. So how the appointment is done, if you the question comes, the Chief Justice and the other judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President, but he does not have any free hand in this matter. He must consult the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court before appointing any judges to it. He must consult. You understood here? And the same manner, in the matter of appointment of the Chief Justice of India, he shall consult such judges of the Supreme Court and of the High Court he may deem necessary. Not all the High Courts, whichever High Court he may deem necessary. But Supreme Court judges, it's compulsory. So here, appointment, if the question is, you have to mention that he is appointed. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President, but on the advice of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The same manner, the other judges are also appointed by the President, but on the advice of the Chief Justice. And the Chief Justice is appointed by the President on the advice of the other judges of the Supreme Court. Means the President does not have the real power in appointment of the judges of the Supreme Court. Okay. The next you have to remember qualifications of the judges. To become judge of the Supreme Court, what should be his qualification? Okay, he must be a citizen of India. He must have worked as a judge in the High Courts continuously for not less than 5 years. Or he may have been an advocate of the High Court for at least 10 years standing. Or he should be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. Either of these, but he should be a citizen of India. So there is no clear provision as to who shall be appointed as the Chief Justice of India. Generally, what happened? The senior most judge of the Supreme Court is appointed as the Chief Justice of India, but there is no clear provision as to who shall be appointed as the Chief Justice of India. The next topic is term of office. If the question is term of office, your answer should be the Chief Justice and the other judges of the Supreme Court are appointed to work till they attain 65 years of age. This is his term of office, till they attain 65 years of age. And although the judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President, but their service cannot be terminated by him. What do you mean by service cannot be terminated by him? He cannot be removed by the President. So how he is removed? So he is removed by the Parliament. The Parliament has a power to call for the impeachment, where if he misuses his power and position, or act against the provisions of the constitution, or if he is found guilty of misusing his power, then he can be removed by the by the parliament by calling impeachment motion. This is the removal. Then the seat becomes vacant. He may resign from his post or his death occurs. So, like this, the seat becomes vacant. So, you studied about composition, you studied about appointment of the judges, you studied about qualifications of the judges, term of office, and removal of the judges. So, today's class only so much. Please learn.